One, two, three, funk it.
Hi guys. Hey guys. First, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Lizette Cynthia Umami, but you can call me Lily. My study number is 205314165. Okay, let's start it. Opening a business is something that is not easy, but also not difficult. I used to make a Korean food business in high school. At that time, I was selling tteokbokki at price of 5,000 rupiah per cup. For 3 days of sales, I made a profit of 900,000 rupiah and I feel proud to have earned my own income. Business is not about how much money we make, but more about feeling happy when we can make our own money. Sometimes the business fail, but we still have to try because the effort will not betray the result. Business intelligence is actually data processing specifically for business information. Business intelligence has components in the form of a set of theories, methodologies, process, architecture, and technology that are capable of transforming raw data into information that is meaningful and useful for business purpose. Business intelligence can handle large amount of information to help identify and develop new opportunity in the business world. By utilizing business intelligence, we will be able to gain new opportunities and implement effective strategies so as to generate competitive market advance and long-term stability. I am interested in the business world because doing business can train our entrepreneurship, and business can be done by anyone, regardless of the level of education, or is not always about big capital. According to Bob Sadino, through persistence and carefulness in seeing opportunities, success can still be achieved even without capital of a lot of money and an education degree. A business intelligence architect is a top-level sort of business intelligence analyst who deals with specific aspects of business intelligence, a discipline that uses data in certain ways and builds specific architecture to benefit a business or organization. The business intelligence architect will generally be responsible for creating or working with this architecture, which serve the specific purpose of maximizing the potential of data assets. Data component include data source that business and financial leaders, as well as other end users, access and analyze to meet organizational objective. Selecting the right data is just as important as developing system to manage or present it. Criteria for selecting data source include the data source structure or unstructured, the data quality, and the granularity of the data source. As a business intelligence architect, you might find work as an independent consultant or as an employee. Opportunities are available to match your work style in yeah. In conclusion, remember, it's hard to find a job. Let's make some business so as not to become unemployed because unemployment hard, very hard. Yes.